Start by painting all nails with 2 coats of a light pink gel polish. Important to remember is to always cure the nail between each application. Cure the nail for 60 seconds. Take a small piece of the solid nail gel glue and shape it into a cylinder. When you are happy with the shape, apply it to the nail and remove the excess solid nail gel glue before you cure the nail for 60 seconds. I have chosen to paint the cylinder in a jelly green color because I would like to have some color in the nail design itself. You don't have to choose the same color as me when making your own bangle nails. Now comes the fun part where we will apply our nail decoration to the nail. I want my bangle nails to be gold so they stand out, but you could go silver if you want. I always apply nail glue first before I apply the nail decoration. After you are done with the nail decoration, finish the nail design by applying top coat and curing the nail for 60 seconds. Finish with top coat on all remaining 4 nail designs. On the second nail, I have chosen to have a watch as a necklace, but you can choose any charm you want. Here too, I will use different nail decorations in the material gold for my bangle nails. If you want to see more nail art tutorials, just click on my nail art library here on my channel. I will use solid glue nail gel to make a ring on the nail as a nail decoration, and then I will apply the rest of the nail decoration. Some also call this nail design chain nail art. Which do you prefer, bangle nails or chain nail art? You don't need to apply nail glue where you are going to place the caviar beads. Because the solid gel nail glue has not been hardened yet, you can place the beads and then harden the nail. I chose to paint the solid nail glue with the jelly green color on the nail. Just apply 1 coat and then cure it. If there is anything you are wondering about, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you want more luxury nail art tutorials, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means everything.